फेल हो गया, ये तो नहीं होगा।
What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Sayantani and you're watching the Curvy Girls Diary. So right now I'm standing in front of my bay window and I'm not kidding when I say that it's a chaos here. ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे बम गिरा है यहाँ पे, इतना ज़्यादा गंदगी फैली हुई है. So this space right here is where I had set up my Christmas tree. That video that I shared, I'll put the link here, you can watch the video. So I took up the Christmas tree around the starting of Jan and since then this space has become a dumpster. तो कुछ भी आता है मैं यहीं पे डंप कर रही हूँ, मैं DIY वीडियोस बना रही हूँ, यहाँ पे डंप कर रही हूँ. And it's giving me a headache honestly because I'm a very neat freak human being and if any single part of my room or my home for the matter is not clean, it gives me a headache. So that is what's happening. So ये वीडियो थोड़ा और पहले आना चाहिए था but I had a sudden tooth problem. So I had to postpone this video. As I'm shooting this video right now, it is Saturday afternoon and I have only Saturday and Sunday afternoon to finish off everything and then start editing the video. So what I'm planning is that I want to decorate this bay window in its previous state with all the products that I already have. So as you have seen in one of my videos that I'm planning for redecorating my room. So if I redecorate my room, I'm obviously gonna redecorate this space as well, and I don't want anything that I do right now to be permanent. So it's gonna be a temporary solution with everything that I already have in my home, and it's just, I'm sorry for the noise, it's just that I want to make it look pretty and nice and clean till the time I decide to completely redo everything in my room. So without any further delay, let's start the video. Let's show you the chaos that's there. So I was not kidding when I said कि ये dumpster बना हुआ है. यहाँ पे all the clothes that I got cleaned, ये वहीं पे पड़े हुए हैं तब से. यहाँ पे कपड़े हैं, bed sheets हैं, पता नहीं और क्या क्या है. These are all from the decoration that I took off from my Christmas tree. ये वही Christmas tree वाला ही portion पड़ा हुआ है. यहाँ पे इस side में ये मेरा DIY junk space बन गया है. By the way, this one is a very pretty DIY my chachi made for me. So yeah, I did not make this. My chachi did it and it's very pretty. It needed some loving and now I'm gonna decorate it here because I love this. So yeah, without any further delay, let's begin decluttering this space. डब्बे हैं इन्हें तो मैं फेंकूंगी नहीं, इस वाले से तो स्पेशली एक DIY बहुत जल्द आने वाला है. So this space is cleaned and by clean I mean ये जो बाकी चीज़ें हैं, all of these things are gonna stay here only. So I'm not taking them somewhere else as of now because I only shifted these things that were here in my bed. So I need to sort out my clothes. I need to put them in my cupboards. So I'm gonna do that first. I'm gonna clean everything out first and then I'm gonna start with a fresh canvas because all of this not cleaned things, I mean they are clean but they are making my room look dirty and this is giving me a headache. So yeah, I'll do that and be right back. So the bed is clean as it should be, the vanity is clean as it should be, and I have already kind of prepped here, like not exactly prepped but all the things that I need are already there, well 99% of it. And then I have also removed this thing here, वो तो बाद में भी बैठा सकेंगे. The only thing I need here is the Buddha statue from there, so that I'm gonna do tomorrow. And yeah, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. Ta-da-da-da, it is the next day. It is actually Sunday afternoon and I have everything that I need here. So without any further delay, let's start making this place look nice because कुछ ही देर में sun चला जाएगा, फिर अंधेरा हो जाएगा, so it won't make sense. So let's do it. So right now you're standing on the stools that were here. So, and if you're having some background noise disturbances, it's because construction चल रहा है पास में, so I can't do anything about it. So I'll just remove everything this side because मुझे decorate सिर्फ इतना ही space करना है. I don't know if you can tell, but यहाँ, so my borderline is here because the rest of the space I need it to sit because I do sit here. I do all my meditative work, my journaling from here. So this time I am planning not to use those bigger stools that I had here previously, and instead I want to use this. Let me put him in place. So I am gonna be using these. So ये मेरा एक पुराना सा wall shelf है that I don't use anymore. So I want to use it here. So I'm hoping कि ये fit हो जाए. अगर नहीं fit हुआ then we'll find some other way. But देखने में क्या जा रहा है नहीं? Yeah, let's go. So ये idea तो fail हो गया. ये तो नहीं होगा because ये थोड़ा चौड़ा है. So let's see what we can do. This is looking pretty okay for now. So what I'm thinking is I'm going to use the smaller black stool that the camera is standing on right now. I'm going to use that and put my Buddha ji there. I think that would be pretty cool. Also, in that case, I can use this brass, I think, this brass, I think, plate there. So this might look nice, but जब तक try नहीं करूँगी तो पता नहीं चलेगा. This is looking pretty. पीछे वाला अच्छा सा बैकग्राउंड बन गया और क्योंकि ये डिज़ाइंस है तो ज़्यादा यू नो लाइक हाउ डू आई से थोड़ा क्लटर्ड नहीं लग रहा था. So yeah, what I can do, you know, I can use these fairy lights and I can put them behind here. That would make a really cool backdrop. इस बार प्लान है कि ये जगह जितना सिंपल हो सके उतना सिंपल रखूँगी. सो आई डेफिनेटली वांट टू पुट दिस लैंटर्न. ये भी मैं आई थिंक 2020 में प्री कोविड मैं इसे शांति निकेतन से लाई थी, शांति निकेतन के सोनाझुरी हाट से. सो या आई वांट टू कीप इट हियर फॉर श्योर. यस, आई जस्ट लव दिस. आई एम नॉट श्योर अबाउट दिस बिकॉज या तो मैं यहाँ पे रखूँगी इसे या फिर जहाँ पे बुद्धा जी को मैंने रखा था अपने शेल्फ में वहाँ पे रख दूँगी. मैं ये दोनों कैंडल स्टिक्स यहाँ पे रखूँगी. ये भी मैंने एक DIY वीडियो में बनाया था फॉर क्रिसमस. इफ़ यू हैवंट सीन द वीडियो आई लिंक है, यू कैन जस्ट गो एंड वॉच ऑल द वीडियोज़. पूरा प्लेलिस्ट है तो आप पूरा प्लेलिस्ट ही देख सकते हो. एंड आई एम नॉट श्योर अबाउट दिस वन. इसको शायद मैं यहाँ रखूँ नहीं रखूँ. Let's see. But now I want to decorate the space with these stones. Yeah. तो मैं वो उस साइड ज़्यादा नहीं जाऊँगी बिकॉज वो anyway विंडो के साइड है. तो या और क्या होता है ना, कभी अगर विंडो खुला हुआ है और कोई चिड़िया आ जाती है तो वो चुभने लगती है उसमें. लॉट ऑफ बर्ड्स ट्राई टू स्टील माय स्टोन्स. Finally, the bay window setup is done. Before I show you the final product, I just want to say that this is not the ultimate thing that I'm gonna be doing here. Well, it will be related to this, but not exactly this one. So this is just a temporary setup till I find out the exact way that I want to keep this place. So yeah, I hope you like the video, and now let's get on with the final reveal. So this is how it's looking, and this is how my Zen corner is looking. मैंने ऊपर के साइड कुछ तो ऐसे डिज़ाइंस नहीं किए हैं, जैसे पहले था वैसा ही है. And yeah, I have kept the same things here. And so the stones that I already had, ये flowers भी मैंने पहले से ही थे मेरे पास, मैंने काफ़ी सारे videos में दिखाया है. This tree I bought a really long time ago from Amazon or Flipkart, either of the two. ये लैम्प मैंने अभी बोला कि मैंने शांतनी किचन से ख़रीदा है. इसके अंदर मैंने एक वो बैटरी ऑपरेटेड दोज क्या बोलते हैं फेरी लाइट्स लगा दिया, राइस लाइट्स. एंड दीज टू लैम्प होल्डर्स आर माई DIYs. And then Buddhaji himself and the back and all, and I have kept that bottle lamp there, that's all. And I'll show you the result, how it looks at night. But yeah, this is it. This is how it is looking for now. So this is my usual spot where I sit down at night, having all those lights, this one and all the lights here on, and do my meditation, and I just journal my stuff, brain dump. I just love sitting here. So I hope you've loved the video. I hope you've loved the small temporary sort of a decoration that I have done for my bay window. This is a very important space for me. So I hope you've loved the video. If you did like the video, do hit the like button and comment and share and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you with my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.